My name is Armin. Today I'm gonna show you how to create video like this only with one picture.
Stablediffusion is an AI to create video from your voice or text. It is free for 20 credits, and if you want to create more, you should pay. Studio-d-id.com. You can create your account with your real Gmail or create a fake image generator like me. Start at here, create video. Two options you have: type your scripts or upload your voice. Choose a presenter or generate AI presenter. These things are created by AI, but I want to create myself. Okay, so I had to add my character, this image created by Midjourney. Then I type my script in here. I'm gonna create a trailer of a game, so this is the best option for me if I don't want to use my own voice.
This is my city. You can be anyone you want in here. You can skate
Tony,
This is my city.
Stefan,
This is my city. You can be anyone.
Jason,
This is my city.
Davis,
This is my city. You
This is my city. You can be.
Brandon,
This is my city.
Christopher,
This is my city. You can be anyone you want in here. You can skate.
This is my city. This is my city. You can be anyone you want in here. You can skate.
Nice.
good enough. Let's generate. In this video, calculating credit card, 2 credits, nice, generate.
Parkour, free ruining, driving, riding, smoke, drunk and. But all of these are for fun. You have to make money. So you have two options. Work like a real person with humanity sense or change your mood and be a bad person, sell drug, kill, steal or other big things. The choice is yours.
Subscribe and like me for other videos. Thank you.